Okay, let's get started. So we got the surface that we were using to put the flower or to create the flower. I'm gonna put napkin on top so I not actually dust my surface. Show you the products that I use. This is the edible dust, and it's a bit violet. I got two different products. This is the one I'm gonna use to mix with a powder, but you can also have something like that. If you don't know already, I'm in UK, United States. No, it's not United States, right? Okay, so anyway, United Kingdom. Sorry about that. So we are in United Kingdom, and what we do here is we use different products. So this is really professional, so you can buy in a professional online store. And this one is professional, yes, but it is also you can buy it in probably a store in your town. But you know, it's a slightly different between them. We'll may explain that in different tutorial. So now we continue with the products that we're gonna use now, which is this. We're gonna use this Bright Indian. The same, it's a professional. You can buy this at any store. You can also buy online in a professional online stores. And we need a palette. And this is edible dust palette, and it's a little different in between this one and the one that you can buy probably in any place to use regular colors, and I explain that in another moment as well. But if you don't have the palette, you can use any cup, yes, or container. Not plastic, because you're gonna actually color the plastic. You won't be able to take the color off anymore. So you know, preference glass or ceramic, and that's it. And we're gonna start. Okay, so we're gonna grab the flour first. I'm gonna put in just right there, this little bit, and now we're gonna use powder. I will just put just a little bit. That's what we need. And then we're gonna use this solution. Great. You can pretty much see the brush, and we're gonna mix. And if you wanted to make a little bit more transparent, you need to add more liquid. And if you wanted to make a little bit more dark the color, you need to add more powder or less liquid. So when it's completely mixed, you can see it's not any dust around. It just started. So we're gonna move this. I'm gonna hold the stick so it's more secure for my flower, and I'm gonna start just paint. So this process is something that you need to try to do faster. Make sure the brush is really soft, so you're not breaking your petals. And you need to try to put the color everywhere. So go inside. That's why it's important to have a long brush. It doesn't exactly need to be this one. It could be any, but I make sure then it's got long, I don't know how they call this, but basically have to be really long so you can actually put the color inside. And when you finish with the top, you're gonna grab the flower upside down and you're gonna start this way. It's really important. Then you cover up everything so it looks professional. We are actually making flowers for a wedding cake, so we need to definitely check and do an extra mile and make sure the details are completely perfect. So even when that's not the main part and the people's gonna see, you know, it will be not looking too good if you go inside way the cake and you see that's not the same color and it's not look as a professional. So everywhere need to be covered, and that's it. When you finish, you let it dry, and then we're gonna apply the spray. So I'll show you that in a few seconds. Okay, this is it. That's how it is. See you in one moment.